Hello, love using light mode during the daytime but prefer dark mode at night to reduce eye strain? Windows 11 does not have a built-in schedule timer for themes, but you can set up automatic day and night switching easily using Task Scheduler. Here is how to set it up step by step. First, click on your Start menu icon at the bottom of the screen and search for Task Scheduler. Click on the Task Scheduler app icon to open it. In the right panel under Actions, click on Create Basic Task. Type a name like Switch to Dark Mode and click Next. Choose Daily as the trigger and click Next. Set the start time to when you want dark mode to turn on every evening, such as 8 p.m. and click Next. Select Start a Program and click Next. In the Program or Script box, type reg.exe. In the Add Arguments box, paste the registry command provided in the description of this video. Click Next and then click Finish. Your PC will now automatically switch to dark mode every evening without you lifting a finger. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.